Hey, clip your helmet in. You need to put all your fingers over the clutch, or maybe at least 3.
Huh?
Put 3 fingers over the clutch. You go first.
Huh?
You go first.
Are you recording?
You're in neutral. He's gonna crash. He's going so fast. He doesn't even hardly know how to ride that thing.
Nice.
Good? Damn, it's on fire! Holy shit. Give it some gas. Bro for sure is gonna crash into something. Jeez, he's going so fast. I can't take this bike back here. He crashed. You good? It's not gonna start. Is it not starting? You gotta give it a minute. Here, let me see it. No, it's not gonna start.
Why?
Stop doing that. It's not gonna start. It's got a tip sensor. Here, get off. Oh, I can't get enough momentum.
Get it, so I tried to turn to get it on, and I turned too hard.
Oh, and you gave it too much gas in the bike? I saw it, yeah. There's gotta be a jump around here somewhere.
That's what I was looking for, 'cause I was gonna try and jump over this. Go up and jump. This looks like a little slope.
Yeah, you can't jump that. Let's go back over there and see if we can find a spot. Why does it take so long? I think he was in a little ditch down there. He can't get out. He's stalling. Oh man, I shouldn't have came up here. He can't get out of the hole. Here he comes. There he goes. Watch how fast this kid is going. He barely knows how to ride on concrete. I gotta go slow because I don't know if there's any big sticks in the area, and this thing probably isn't gonna eat them as well as that thing will. He always forgets to put it in first. There he goes. Give it more gas! If he crashes again, I do not want to miss it. Oh! I almost lost it. He's going through the ditch. This kid is wild, dude. He's not afraid of as much as he should be. He's going so fast. I forgot how much fun this thing is. I don't think this is a good jump spot.
Try and go through that little spot right there, because it looks like...
With the water?
I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out real quick though.
Yeah, don't go through the water. Pendejo ass.
Oh, you have to take that down.
Yeah. Yeah, I usually do that when I leave the bike with nobody on it. Put the kickstand down. Good practice. Bro's gonna crash right into me. Let's see if the 636 will go down here. Oh. Okay. You just gotta take it slow. That back tire slips. Oh, he crashed. You alright? Yeah. Did you try to run over the log? The log is about right where you crashed. What'd you do? Pick it up. Don't go through the grass. What are you doing?
I don't know. I thought it was a lot not at its feet.
It's like 4 feet.
Well, I think it was that far.
Oh my god. Yeah, no shit. Thank God for crash cages, huh? I'm hiking through this tall grass. Hopefully there's no rattlesnakes.
Oh my god. I just stepped on a giant rattlesnake. I watched it.
Huh?
I watched it.
If you want, you're gonna crash.
Oh. Okay.
Let me record it if you do. Oh, it's deep here. Oh boy. Are you going?
I'm gonna ride through right here though.
Huh?
I'm gonna go through right here.
Go ahead. Bro said he's gonna go through the water. I don't know if he's turning around or what he's doing. Couldn't really tell. Oh. Now those are some bumps. Dude, it's still got enough torque to spin the tire in third. Let's try fourth. Yep, still do it. Dang, that's bright. He's still learning. I need to instigate him doing some dumb stuff while he still doesn't know how bad it hurts to actually crash. He's only fell a couple times, but he hasn't full scented off of something that he shouldn't have yet. Maybe we'll trick him into going down into that ditch right there and try and make him work his way out. He didn't end up in a ditch, so that's a plus. Last time he rode the bike, yeah, he went around the corner too fast and went straight into the ditch. It was awesome. I didn't get to see it, but I saw the aftermath and it was hilarious. I can't clutch this thing up anymore. It just spins. I did a burnout on 4th of July and I think that I might have actually cooked the tire. And so now the tire is like, I don't know, all the sticky stuff's gone. I can't wheelie anymore. It's kind of crazy. Maybe I just gotta work out the kinks. It definitely feels like there's some chicken strips on there. I feel the transition from flat to curved. I don't really know. See, it just spins. Oh, that one picked up. Okay, it's picking up now. Well, man, honestly, I actually wasn't even planning on making a video, but I think I might post this. He crashed a couple times. That was fun. We took this ZX6R off-roading. How can you not love that? It's getting a little dark though, so we need to get out of here. You guys already know what I'm going to say. If you like the video, like the video. If you don't like the video, don't like the video. Otherwise, he stalled. Otherwise, peace out. Peace out when he figures out how to not stall anymore. Peace out when he figures out how to not stall anymore.